Okay students, today our topic is draw an angle of 90 degree by using a compass. So first what you will do, you will make a line segment of your choice. I have made a line segment of 6 centimeter and I named it as AC. After that what I do, I take my compass, fix it, open it about 1 to 2 centimeter according to my choice, then put it on point A and make a semicircle. After that, I will not change my compass distance that I have opened it from the start. I will open it like that, put it on B and then make an arc on point D and mark it, name it as D. After that, I have again do the same step, put the nail of the compass on point D and make an arc, and I will make it as a point E. Then after that, I want to make an angle of 90 degree. I have explained in my previous videos about 60 degree and 120 degrees angle. You can watch them. Now what I will do, how I will make the 90 degree angle by using a compass without a protractor. So I will open my compass from the point D till point E. After opening it till here from D to E, I will put the nail of my compass on point D and make an arc. It will be like this. Then I will not change it. The compass is from D to E. I have put on D, make this arc. Then same, I will put the nail of the compass on point E, B, E and make an arc. Now I will join this cross point with this point A, then I will have a 90 degree angle. So if you like my videos, you can please comment, share and like my videos. Also share the link of the videos so those students who have problem in these concepts, so they can easily understand and they can also ask questions. And also hit the like button and the bell icon so you will get my more videos related to this topic.